This lesson will introduce the concept of grade as a way of measuring incline. We've talked about measuring angles in a triangle using a protractor and describing the angle in terms of degrees. It's also possible to describe the incline using grade. The formula for grade is rise over run times 100%. And use this formula to calculate the grade of a slope that's 30 meters long and 4 meters high. The grade is equal to 4 over 30 times 100%. Like all of our formulas, it is important that our units match up before we plug in. Into our calculator, we get a value of 4 divided by 30 times 100. The grade is 13.3%. Every angle can be described in terms of grade. What is the grade of a slope whose angle of elevation is 45 degrees? A 45-degree angle comes from a triangle that has its rise equal to its run. So the grade is equal to a rise over a run that's equal to its rise times 100%. Rise divided by rise is equal to 1, and so the result is 100%. The diagram that follows will describe how different angles can be converted into grade. An angle of 45 degrees is 100%. Any angles less than 45 degrees are less than 100%, and any angles more than 45 degrees are more than 100%. At the following questions, remember the formula. Grade is equal to rise over run times 100%. Pause the video and then check your answer. Round your values to 1 decimal place. The answer for the first question is 8.3%. The answer for the second question is 5.6%. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact your instructor.